Hi folks, welcome to Value Add. So I'm going to talk about the step-by-step formula to reach your goals. Okay, and that's a big claim. That's something that I'm working on constantly as well. But at least I can say some thought that might really give you a new momentum in your direction. So when you set a goal or a big vision for yourself, and then you say, okay, I want to go reach it, you're going to first of all make it into a smart goal, which is specific, measurable, check whether it's achievable, check whether it's relevant to your life right now, and then also check if and then set a time on it. Once you've done that, then you divide it into like suppose it's a yearly goal, then you divide it into firstly 6 months, then a month, and then a week, how much you're going to achieve in a week, how much you're going to achieve in a month, how much you're going to achieve in a day. Then by doing that, you are literally boiling it down to step by step how many transitions will happen. Now the confusion that may arise during this setting up of weekly, daily goals is that if supposing I have an enormous goal at the end of the year, or even at the end of say 10 years, how do I know whether I'm able to accomplish it if I set a such and such 6 monthly goal or such and such weekly goal? Well, that's obviously it's more of an estimate. It's more of an understanding of what you best understand, and on that basis, if it's relevant to your life, you want to keep it that. So there's a lot of guesswork, yes, definitely involved, based on your skills as well. So where you are currently in that goal as well. When you look at all these aspects, then you will be like, okay, this is the best estimate. Which is where when you set a daily goal or a weekly goal and you say whether you just keep, okay, if I am heading towards this 6 monthly goal, then this monthly goal makes sense. If I'm heading towards this monthly goal, then this weekly goal makes sense. If I'm heading towards this weekly goal, then this daily goal makes sense. And then when you set that up and then you take action towards it, you may see that you're able to complete that, and then you feel you're going one step closer to that weekly goal, or that and then once eventually that monthly goal, then eventually the 6 monthly goal. So you know you're on track somewhere heading towards that direction, and you can always course correct your targets. But supposing you feel that whatever you're setting up is not taking you're not able to complete that weekly goal. So obviously that means it wasn't a relevant goal or an achievable goal. So you didn't either have the skill set for achieving it, or it wasn't relevant to your life right now. Maybe you had other priorities right now. So you will be course correcting. You'll say, okay, fine. You change your target to maybe instead of what you thought you'll do in a week, maybe then you'll say I'll do it in maybe 3 weeks. That will be based on your own judgment, your own assessment of where you are right now. But that's a step-by-step process, and then you see, oh wow, so what I thought I would accomplish in 1 week, it took me 3 weeks. So let me just see what my next monthly target is. You see, there's a lot of course correction. It may also happen the opposite way. What you thought in 3 weeks, you did in a week. So it's really about understanding where you are and then gradually taking one step towards it. And that's progress, and that drives you. Hope this gives you some new insight. Cheers. Take care.